Welcome to lecture series on primary market. Today we are going to discuss about the method of public issue. The last class we have seen that there exist different methods for raising of funds in a primary market. It includes public issue, offer for sale method, private placement method, right issue method and bonus issue method. Today we are going to discuss in detail about the first method, that is public issue method. This public issue method is a most popular method. Here capital is raised directly from the public. The capital is raised directly from the public. Under this method, the company invites subscription from the public through issue of prospectus, maybe through an advertisement in newspapers. On the basis of offers in the prospectus, the investors apply for the securities. In response to the application, the company makes allotments of shares, debentures, etc. That is, this public issue method is a most popular method. In this method, funds are raised directly from the public. The company invites subscription through advertisement in newspaper etc. from the public through the issue of prospectus, and they receives the applications from the public and make decisions on the basis of the applications. The types of public issues are: for public issue method, different companies offers different methods. There are mainly two methods are used in the public issue. They are initial public offer and follow-on public offer, that is IPO and FPO. Initial public offer is the first type. This is offered by the unlisted company for the fresh or existing securities and issues shares to the public for the first time in this method, issue of shares to the public for the first time is done by the unlisted companies. It is issued on the basis of the orders by the brokers. In the initial public offerings are done by unlisted companies, either for fresh securities or for the existing securities. Here the issue of shares to the public are done for the first time. It is a method of raising securities in which company sells shares or stocks to the general public for the first time. Under this method of marketing, securities are issued to the successful applicants on the basis of orders placed by them through the brokers. And the selling of stock is entrusted to a popular intermediary known as underwriters. This is the first method or first type of public issue, that is the initial public offer. Here the feature is that it is offered by an unlisted company for the sale of fresh or the existing securities. It issues shares to the public for the first time and issue on the basis of orders by the brokers, and it is done by the intermediary known as underwriters. The business is done by the underwriters, or subscriptions are done by the second type of public issue is follow on public offering, or it is the FPO. This is an offer of sale of securities by listed company that we have already seen. This may be an offering either for fresh issue of securities or for the for sale to the public by an already listed company through an offer document. The second method is the follow-on public offering method or FPO method. Here, sale of securities is done by a listed companies. This may be an offering of either a fresh issue or an offer for sale to the public by an already listed companies through an offer. That is, initial public IPO is by an unlisted company and FPO is by it. Next, we want to see the methods of determination of price of new issues. The prices of these shares are determined by using various methods, and two important methods used are fixed price offer method and book building methods. These are the two important methods used for determination of price of new issue. That is fixed price offer method and the book building method. The first one is fixed price offer method. This is the method of determination of prices. These are the issue methods. Two types of initial public offer means public issue by the unlisted company, FPO by the issue by the unlisted company. Here we are going to discuss about the determination of prices of new issue. We have two methods mainly. They are fixed price offer method and book building method. The first one is fixed price offer method. Here the company fixes the price and then advertises the number of shares to be issued. This is the first method, fixed price offer method. What the company do? The company fixes the issue price and then advertises the number of shares to be issued. If the price is very high, the number of subscription will be very low, On the other hand, if the issue is underpriced, more number of investors will apply for the shares. This is the method of fixed price offer method. That is, here very simply, the company fixes the prices and then issues issue the shares. What are the steps of fixed price offer method? First one, selection of merchant bank, then issue of prospectus, then application for shares. After getting application for shares, allotment of shares to the applicants, issue of share certificates to the public. These are the steps in the fixed price method. That is, the prices are fixed and there is no need to determine the prices. Merchant banks will be selected in the first step. Then the prospectus will be issued. Then applications for the shares will be issued. Allotment of shares to the applicants will be made in the first step. And finally, the certificates of shares will be issued. These are the steps involved in the fixed price method. That is, in this method, price will be determined prior to the issue of shares. Second method is the book building method. This method was introduced on the basis of the recommendation of a committee constituted under the chairmanship of Y.H. Milgam in October 1995. This is a different method and it was introduced as per the recommendation of Y.H. Milgam in October 1995. And the determination of price under this method is as follows. Under this method, the company does not price the securities in advance. They offers the investors an opportunity to bid collectively. That is, they does not fix the price in advance. They gives an opportunity to investors to bid, then uses this bid to arrive at a price. All the applications received are arranged at a final offer price, which is known as the cut-off price, is arrived. This cut-off price is the weighted average of offers by all the investors. This is the method of book building. Here, this is the method of determination of price under the book building. That is, the company does not fix the price in advance. They provides an opportunity for investors to give their own option for the price. Then from the applicants' option for the price, they arranges the application form and arrives the price on the basis of this bid, and they determines a cutoff price. This cutoff price is the weighted averages of offers by all investors.